In this video, I will share to all of you about how to make sci-fi high-rise modern building in Sketchup, and I have already prepared about the three simple floor plan for the building mesh. And the first meshing in here with the longest length is around 67 meter, and the middle plane of the meshing high-rise building is around 74 meter, and the right tower is around for the most building length is around 96 sorry 69. It's around 69 meter. Okay, and I will share to you about the step by step how to make the basic concept and meshing building of this tower. Okay, and now I have to delete this first, or maybe we can preserve this one. Okay, so we have to push it up around 1 meter for the slab dimension. We can triple click, right click, and make group. And also the van we have to push it up, triple click, make group. And also this one, triple click, right click, make group, and make component. And this one we have to make component and make component. Okay, first of all I will share about make the middle tower first. We have to move and duplicate to this position. Then we can set the floor to ceiling around 3.6 meter. Okay, then we can select move, press Ctrl, place to this place to the upper to place to this above. Okay, then we can type X40 and enter, and we can get automatically high-rise buildings basic meshing in here. And also this one, we have to select move, press Ctrl, place to this position, then we can type move it up around 3.6 meter, enter, and then we can select move, press Ctrl, and place to this position, then we can type X40 to duplicate it for the floor. And also this one, we can select move, press Ctrl, and we can select move again, type 3.6 meter to set the floor to ceiling. And then we can select move, duplicate above, and type X40 and enter. Okay, and now we can get the three meshing building of the sci-fi building, and then we have to make it make unique and also make it unique. Okay, then we have to offset it inside around 12 meter. Okay, then we have to click this one. We have to click and select edit, copy, and exit from the group, and edit, paste in place. And now we can select a push with push tool, click from this plane and push it to this bottom position of the floor here, and then we can push it up around 5 meter. Okay, then we can triple click, make group. Okay, and we can get this design core building design, and also this one we have to offset it inside around 12 meter also, or maybe it's depend on the proportional of this every single building floor. I mean, so we can offset it inside, so we can offset this inside around 22 meter, enter. Then we can click this plane and select edit, copy. Okay, then exit from the group, and then we have to paste in place, and then we have to push it until this position. Okay, I will show you about how to make your device faster. So you have to uncheck the profile and just preserve the check of this edge. Okay, then we can continue. Then we have to push it up around 5 meter above, make group. And also this one, we have to offset it inside around maybe around 12 meter. It's enough. Then we can click this core building plane, then we can edit, copy, and exit from the group, edit, paste in place. Then we have to push it until the bottom position, and then we have to push it up until this position. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, and then we can get this three building tower. You can get the three building tower. And okay, maybe we can also delete for the unnecessary object here, we can delete this unnecessary dimension. Okay, to focus on the building object only. And now we can make the parapet building. We can offset it inside around 2 meter, and we offset it inside again around 200 millimeter, and push it up around 3 meter. Okay, and now we can offset it inside again around 200 millimeter and push it up around 500 millimeter. This is just assumption for the maintenance space in here, for the building maintenance space. And also this one, we have to offset it inside around 2 meter, and we have offset inside again around 200 millimeter and push it up around 3 meter, and we have to push it up again, offset it inside again around 200 millimeter and push it up around 500. Okay, and then we can get this one. Okay, and then we have to offset it inside again around 2 meter and offset it inside around 200 millimeter and push it up 3 meter and offset it inside 200 and push it up around around 500 millimeter. Okay, and we can get this basic design of the basic building. And now we can make the glazing. We can make the glazing building, but before we making it, we have to select all this one, and we can select. We can delete this one. This is for the lobby area. This is for the lobby area for every single building, I mean. And also we can delete for one floor here. It's depend on you. It's depend on you about the position. So this is about the position of the. This is about the position about the semi-outdoor lounge area in here. This is about the lobby area. Okay, so you can explore more, and then okay, we can make the sloping building. We can make the exterior building. We have to click this one and make unique, then click this one and offset it outside around 50. We can offset it outside around 500 millimeter, and we can delete this one. Okay, we can triple click and offset it inside around 100 millimeter. Okay, then we can set the plane, and then we can click this plane and copy. We can copy or cut. It's depend on you. I prefer cut, and then we have edit, paste in place, and push it up until this position. Okay, then we have to push it down. Okay, we have to push it down until this position. Okay, then we can select click this plane, and we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Then we have to push it down again. We have to push it down again in this position. Then we can triple click, right click, make group, and triple click, right click, make group. Okay, then now we can continue to make this one. We can right click and make unique, and click this object. We have to offset it outside around 500 millimeter. Okay, then we can delete this plane, and now we can triple click this line and offset it inside around 100 millimeter, and delete some unnecessary plane here. And we have to make the line in here with using line tool, and click this surface, and we can select this cut and exit from the group. Okay, then we can edit, paste in place, and then we have to push it down again. We have to push it down again until this position, and we have to push it up. Okay, we have to push it up until this position. Okay, or maybe we can make the another difference. We can make the another difference exterior. Okay, so we can leave this space to make the another function. Maybe this is about the penthouse area or semi outdoor area. Okay, then we have to click this surface, and we can click this surface, select copy. We can select this surface, select move, press Ctrl, and place to this another position. Okay, then we have to push it down until this position. Then we can triple click, right click, and make group. And also this one. Okay, we have to click. This one and make unique and offset it outside around 500 millimeter, and delete this surface, and we have to offset it inside again around 100 millimeter, and delete this surface again, and we can select the line. Okay, then we can connect the both of line in it until it appear the surface of the plane of this glazing. Then we have to Control X, exit from the group, and then we can edit the paste in place and push it down and until the desired position, until our desired position. And now we can select this plane and select move, press Control, and place to this position, and then we have to push it down till this position, then triple click, make group, and triple click and make group. Okay, and okay, we have to make it group also. We have to make it group, and okay, it's done. Then this is about the basic futuristic design or sci-fi high-rise triple tower modern design. Then we have to select a glass to assign the material of it. Okay, and now we can get this one. We can get the this materials, and then okay, now we can make the another design. Maybe we can make the lobby area in here with using this surface, and we can make this one. We can make the lobby in here, and make this one and lobby in here. Okay, then we can triple click and make group, and triple click, make group, and also triple click and make group, and we can select all and move it to the bottom position. Okay, and you can explore more about the lobby area. You can explore more about the lobby area in here to make a better design. Then you can also mix the freehand. You can make the landscape with using a freehand tool. You can click this freehand tool, and you can draw the landscaping area system in here to make it more livable, to make it more greenery area. Okay, this is about the landscaping here. This is about the landscaping design. Okay, and you can set about the landscape. You can draw about the beautiful landscape here to make it more natural look to surround the modern design or sci-fi design of this building. And now you can set the landscaping, and you can set the grass area in here. Okay, you can set the grass area in here, and you can set the asphalt or concrete. Click this one, and you can edit and set the level of the darkness in here. Okay, then don't forget to assign the component materials. Don't forget to assign the component materials with component sampler, and using the tree. Okay, then we can click this one, and okay, you can select the materials, and you can select the glazing. You can the green, select the green. Okay, then you can select a move, press Ctrl, and press this position. Okay, okay, you can right click and make group, and we can select a move, press Ctrl, and place to this your desired position of landscaping area. And this is the quick way to assign the landscaping to make a better presentation of your building design with a quick way. And then you can only just improve a little bit more about this landscaping and another element of this building, such as the rooftop area and glazing area and lobby area. You can make the another unique lobby in here. Okay, because of this is about the sci-fi, you can explore more Okay, you can explore more about the another building secondary skin design here. You can add more component in here, just like this, and make group, and also you can add more component in here also, something like this. Then you can push it to the front and triple click and make group. Okay, and also you can make this one again in here. Okay, then you have to push it to the front, triple click and make group. This is just basic secondary skin, just conceptual secondary skin, but you can explore more than this one. You can explore more than this one to improve your design sense and skill. Okay, okay, I will continue it. Okay, this is about the secondary skin concept. Click make group, and this one. Okay, maybe you have to delete this unnecessary line here. Maybe you can delete this line. Okay, then you have to redraw again. Okay, then you have to push it to the front and make group. Okay, you can make this surface. You can triple click make group, and now you can make the another variation of this building design, this secondary skin design. You can change the color. Maybe you can change the color, and also you can change this main glazing color of this high-rise building, something like this. Or if you feel it's too cringe, if you feel this is too cringe, you can make the another secondary skin design anyway. I will delete it. Okay, I will delete it, and maybe we can just make the another simple style. We can just make the simple style. For example, we have to try to make this simple line in here. Then we have to push it to the front, just like this, and double click make group, and we can select a move, press Control, place to this position. Then we can type 20/enter. Okay, and sorry, I have to make component create. Then we can select a move, press Control, and place to this position. Then we can type 20/enter. Okay, then we can select this line. We can select this object. Okay, we can select this object. Okay, then we can select make group, and we can select a move, press Control, and place to this position. Then we can rotate to this position, and we can change the scratch, change the length of this high-res secondary skin. Then we can select a move, press Control, and place to this position maybe. Okay, then now we can select a move, press Control, and place to this position again, and select the scale in here. Okay, we can select a move, press Control, Press to this position and change the scale, and also this one. Select a move. Place to this position and change the scale in here. Okay, this is about the. I mean, it's better than before because it's look like serious design, even if it sci-fi. And okay, you can also add more elements. You can also add the shadow element with the view and show the shadow, and you can also change the style of this presentation. You can change it with this presentation or this one to make it more luxurious, to make it more clear enough. And you can change with this style to make it more clear again. You can change the building. You can change about the glazing, and also you can also change the glazing, and you can set the opacity in here, and also you can explore more. This one. You can explore about the rooftop area in here, and this semi-outdoor area, and this is semi-outdoor area, and you can explore again about the drop-off area in here. Or maybe you can make the another variation. You can make this one. Okay, you can make the another. This one you can offset it inside in here. Okay, you can push it until this position. You can disappear about the shadow first. You can double click, make group. Right click, make component, create. Then you can select a move, press Control. Plus this position, then we can type 15/enter. Okay, you can change the drop-off area like this. Okay, you can select this one. You can select all of this secondary skin of the lobby area or drop-off area. Then we can right click and make group, and then we can select a move, press Control, and then you can select this position. Then you can rotate and adjust about the direction about the canopy, and you can move and duplicate in here, and you can rotate again. Then you can set to this position. Okay, I mean, this is the better than before about the drop off, and you can set with the wooden element in here, with the wooden element of the exterior, and also this one. You can change this one to make wooden exterior, and you can change about the saturation of this one. Okay, you can try to change, but I mean it better to be white color in here. Okay, then you can activate again up with a shadow, and also you can try to see about the uncheck the profile in here, and you can try to uncheck the edge, so you can see about the difference. Okay. Okay, then you can change the shadow orientation. You can change the shadow orientation in here. Okay, maybe just like this. And I mean it was enough for this tutorial. So you can improve more for this semi-outdoor area, lobby area, rooftop area, and secondary skin, and about landscape and circulation, and many more. You can many other things, and many another things that you can improve. Okay, thanks for watching. Just wait for my next tutorial in this channel. Thank you.